What's going on, guys? It's Manish from Videoorchard.com. In this video we will look at how to backup and recover the data in Linux operating system, more specifically on Ubuntu, and then I'll be giving a quick review on the application that is Ubuntu Tweak. It's quite often that when you have got a Linux operating system installed on a computer, you try to mess around with the config and the system files and install the application which may or may not be stable, and ultimately ending up in crashing or reinstalling the whole operating system all over again. So to avoid this, it's always better or wise to have the data backed up somewhere in your computer. So to do that, you need to download this tool over here, that is Ubuntu Tweak, which can be found in ubuntutweak.com. Click on this link over here and you'll get this file downloaded on your computer. So to install it, double click on it and open it with the Ubuntu Software Center. Right, and then click on the install button over here. Since I've already got this tool installed on my computer, it shows me up this reinstall button over here. But if you run into a dependency problem suggesting that you need to have the Python greater than or equal to 2.7, you need to execute these three commands over here. Alright, once these three commands have been successfully executed, you will get this Ubuntu Tweak installed on a computer. You need to open up the application that is Ubuntu Tweak. And once this application is running, it provides you with a list of features that are available in it. I'll be emphasizing on this particular feature, that is desktop recovery over here. And once you've clicked on this desktop recovery application, the feature over here, it provides you with three different categories: desktop, which contains desktop files; application, which contains all the application which have been installed on your Ubuntu machine; system, which contains the Ubuntu system files. Okay, in order to back up the data, you need to click on desktop and choose backup and type in my first backup. Alright, and copy this, okay, and type and choose yes. And now all the files which are under this particular category, that is desktop, have been backed up. Now do the same for application and system. So now it's just backing up all the applications. Now go to system, backup, my first backup, yes. Alright, so all the major three categories, that is desktop, application and system, have been successfully backed up. Now in order to recover the backed up data, you need to click on desktop and choose recover and choose yes. And now go to application, recover, yes, and then go to system, recover, and yes. Do the same for all three things, and make sure it is make sure the backup history is chosen as my first backup. And that's it on how to back up the data and restore it. Now what if case you want to back up a particular application rather than backing up the entire application which have been installed on Ubuntu? Say you want to just back up this particular application. So in that case, what you need to do is that you need to choose this particular application which you want to back up, and then click on the option over here, that is backup, and backup name, and the backup name as cheese. Okay, what's the spelling, man? Cheese. Okay, cheese backup, and choose yes. Okay, so now the cheese application have been backed up. In order to recover it, you need to go to application and choose cheese option over here. So it automatically changes the backup history to cheese backup and recover it, and choose yes. So the cheese application has been completely recovered to its old state, and that's it. Now let's look on other features which are present in this application. The first thing over here is the application center. which contains all the application that can be installed on your Ubuntu machine. There are tons of applications over here which are nicely categorized over here. Browser contains all the browsers, and the file sharing contains all the file sharing application, email clients over here, and internet instant messages. I've got Empathy installed right now on my computer, and utility, and lots more. Package cleaner, it removes all the unwanted files from your Ubuntu operating system. You can do this regularly, to clear up these spaces. And Source Center, I don't know what this is, so I won't be talking about it. Source Editor, this is the place where all the software or the application gets updated from time to time. So if in case you want to delete the source from where it is getting updated, you want to choose this particular source. So yeah, these are all the sources from where it gets updated. Select choose Google Chrome, and okay, first you need to unlock it. Once it has been unlocked, and then you can choose the PPA, that is the address from where it is getting updated. Choose the address and click on this. So do you want to delete it? Click on yes, only and only in case you want to delete the source from where it is getting updated. But personally, I don't recommend you to do that. So that's it on Source Editor. Now go to Update Manager. Tells you all the packages which can be updated, and login settings. Okay, this particular feature is cool. Unlock it first, and choose the backup. Choose the backup login screen you want to display during the in the login interface. So I'll be choosing this particular picture here, and you can even change the logo, and you can also disable the sound which plays at the login, and lots more. Session control, it suppresses the logout or restart, shutdown confirmation dialog box. Not to bother much on that. Compass setting, this compass setting over here, it's a very basic one. If you want to go for the advanced compass setting, I would recommend you to go to this compass config setting manager, which helps you in dealing with advanced graphics. See, I've got this enable wobbly effect over here. These are kind of a basic stuff, and that's it on how to those are some of the compass effects. And desktop icon settings, you have got you can show computer icon on desktop and show trash icon on desktop. You can even rename it. Desktop recovery, we have already talked about that. GNOME settings, nothing so special in it. Show icons and menus, show icons and buttons. It gets the icons on the buttons here. So Windows manager settings. Okay, in this Windows manager settings here, you can tick mark this custom and look at the way your minimize, maximize, and close buttons are arranged. Or you can just play around with it. You can get the close button first. So the minimize comes first, and then close, and maximize. You can just play around with that. And this title bar mouse wheel up. So what it does is that when you click on the title bar here, title bar mouse wheel action. Okay, when you wheel up when you perform a wheel up action in the mouse, it hides the interface over here. Let me just restore it to default, and personal, nothing much to look after over here. Company details, if you want to change the host name, and the power manager, and those are all the basic stuff, security related and all stuff. And that's it for this video on how to recover the data in Ubuntu. And thank you for watching this video on how to back up the data in Ubuntu, and please do rate and subscribe if you have found this video useful. Thank you and take care.